I am Sadananda Reddy from Goldstar Healthcare Private Limited, based at Delhi. Majorly, we are healthcare consultants. Now, I am here for 16th Symbiosis seminar, additional health seminar. My role is talking about healthcare IT, successful healthcare IT. Now, when you try to talk about for anything in generalization, I am trying to talk here for our house or for our own country, globally, what is that actually required? The requirement is very important. Unless we know that if there is a need for money, there is we are trying to work or do our own, whatever it is. Here, the requirement is in this country, health is very badly needed. Though we are trying to talk on about, we are world class when it comes to the systems, because the role of government, the qualities, technology, talking about international investment coming to the front. Why all of that synergy is not working? If government take the initiative, thinking about the population is staying not in urban areas because they are from rural. Our 60% more than 60% of the population is there in rural. We have to look at it. Are we really taking care of the health of them? If not, why? Is it why can't we think about adding our GDP? Why? What is the investment today you are talking about your advertisement for all these elections? Do you think that actually we don't have money? They are rich people. We always talking about money is there somewhere in Swiss XYZ. Do you think that actually money is not there in our country? We have money, we have resources, we have talent, we know, we have technology, we know how to use, we can make it successful, but we need to have the leaders from every section, not only from government, from corporates, they have to take that social responsibility. Same fashion, the investor who is coming to the country, they have to look at it bigger picture actually. But what is that we are lacking? We know we are not able to take care of people, their need at the minimal cost. Maybe some hospital may be having excellent facility, but how many of them can affordable? Why? There is a reason, because government is not just looking at actually growth of this country alone. They are thinking of individual growth. Why can't they think about as a whole, everybody has to get benefited? For that, we need to bring the policies, systems, and should have intention to implement those, not just having the systems. There are good systems available, but if you don't implement, there's no meaning actually. Here, what I request is actually, everybody is responsible, including common men. When they are voting, they should have thought of this. Why can't they think actually what they need? That means requirement, if they don't come out, what their requirement, how to achieve that, you may need to have some kind of NGOs to look at it, how they can educate, train. Though for voting, the people try to talk a lot. It's a good money, no doubt. They spend good money. But why can't you think of the same fashion for healthcare? Okay, there is a technology available, affordable technology also available. That why our doctors actually, we are spending so much of money, they are becoming big people. After that, they are leaving this country, going on serving some other countries. Why? Do you think that actually that investment is not done by that people who are paying tax paid? That money is spent for these colleges. There is a cost to that. But only thing is that there is no rationalism in totality which has to be looked at it. This is my personal opinion actually. But in general, all of us to look at it actually. Instead of blaming government, blaming corporate, blaming any international investor, we have to know about our roles and responsibility. Are we fulfilling it? Once we do that, automatically system will follow. Once the system leaders are wrong, you can choose them, you can change them. That is the way how you have to educate yourself. First of all, I want to give big thanks to Mr. Dr. Raju and Vidya Madam. The kind of vision, the goals, what they are having, the kind of beautiful campus, there is no need for them to have thinking about creating awareness for their students, not only their students, they called a lot of delegates from across the country who are present here, which is really benefit to them, whatever they learn. But just hearing is very easy, but once it takes them along with them, implementing is very, very crucial, which is normally, like, we must have seen actually today probably on average they may be spending 30 minutes to 1 hour for watching new channels for only for election. Good. What is your contribution to that? Have you ever, how many of them taken their own people who cannot go to the vote, who are not going to the vote, make them to vote? How many of them educated? Why you are taking money for just for voting? Is it not your right? Why you are misusing your right? When you are misusing, you don't have a right to question them what they do. You have to look at it in totality based on what you require and focus, expect the solution from start with you.